Hi friends, welcome to our nature trail. Go for a walk. Come on! Come. Mommy's come. With the camera. Well, let's find some flowers and sticks. Okay. Let's find some rocks too. Find a rock too. And flowers too. Let's make sure it's a long stem.
Okay. What kind of flowers are these blue ones, Elijah?
These are Camellia lilies.
Camas lily, okay.
Find some Camellia lilies and insects and rocks.
Okay.
Okay?
Can you show us the rocks?
Yeah. Come. I will open the rock, okay? On this rock, there's something on it.
What is that?
There's some lichen.
Lichen, wow.
We can pick them up.
Uh-huh. Should we keep them there, though? That's their home, huh?
Yeah. Let's leave our walk there. Let's find some more stones has lichen.
Okay.
And stones has insects too. Stones has insects too. Camel lilies. Look at all those camel lilies at those stones.
They're so pretty.
Let's get some stones and camel lilies here. Let's see under here. And insects. I don't see anything under there. Where's a cricket?
There's a cricket.
Where did it go?
There it is. You see it?
I can't see it.
Oh, there he goes. You see him jumping?
Yeah. Alright, let me put on my hand. They like their home.
Yeah, there he is. He kind of jumped, so let me get it in front of the camera here. There's the cricket.
He's dead.
No, he's not dead. He's just holding really still because he doesn't want to be eaten. He thinks we're going to eat him. They make a nice chirping sound by rubbing their legs on their abdomen.
I want them to
Woo! There he goes.
jump.
Yeah. Should we make him jump again?
Make them jump on my hand. On my hand.
On your hand? Let's
Yeah.
put him on your hand. Whoop. Whoop. Right. Here's your hand. Woo. That's a cricket. Oh, goodbye. He went back in his home, huh?
Oh, it's over there. I wonder. There's rocks there. Only rocks there.
Oh, look at that.
What's that?
It's a pupa.
What's a pupa?
A pupa for, I'm not sure what, maybe a butterfly. Wow.
Where'd you find
Let's
it?
be gentle with it. It was under the rock.
Oh, what do you think it's gonna
You
make?
want to come see it? Come see it. Come see.
Here's something.
Yeah, a beetle. That one, maybe, will be a beetle. Don't know for sure.
See that?
Can you see legs?
No legs. It has like a little stinger at the bottom.
Ooh, maybe a bee.
Do they
What
make
else can you
pupas?
find?
Do bees make pupas? Let's put
What
them
else
back
can we
in there.
find? What's under here?
Oh, it's a cricket! It's a cricket! Get him! Get him!
Let me see. Oh, look at that. Let's get him up.
Okay, show our friends.
What does the cricket say?
Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah, something like that. You know how they make that sound? They scratch with their leg on their abdomen, and it makes that high-pitched chirping noise.
But it's doing that without.
Doing something. It's probably scared because the rocks just left us.
Whoop. How many legs does this insect have? 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All insects, 6
Yeah.
legs.
And look at these back legs. They're really long so that he can jump really far.
Why him jump?
Okay, can you jump? I think he might be scared. He might be scared. Jump,
So I'm going to get eaten now.
Should we put him back in his home?
Yeah, they like their home.
Okay. Okay, goodbye, Cricket. What else do you think we can find?
You got to cover him.
Insects.
Let's put his home back there.
What's under there? An ant.
An ant!
Oh, let's see. And it looks like a little place where a mouse could sleep.
There's the ant. Okay, goodbye, ants. They're home back. There. What'd you find, Grandma?
It's a white shooting star.
Wow.
Look, it looks like a star shooting through the sky. And look at the leaves down here.
Oh,
Might
wow.
focus on the dead grass.
There, it's got it.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
There's a wire about to catch your dress.
It's a home for something. Oh, there's a spider web there. Okay, let's put the home back.
Okay.
Even though we can't see things. Oh, there's a spider. Did you see him?
No.
There he is.
Spider web?
Yeah.
Spider web? Mama's trying to go to their house.
There's the spider. You see the spider?
Yeah.
Wow. All right, let's keep looking.
Grandma's good.
What'd you find, Grandma?
This is arrow leaf balsam.
Wow, it's so pretty. It's like a daisy.
See the arrow on the leaves? Looks like an arrow. That's how it. Don't say for that one. And they're hairy. If you get up close enough, you can see all the little tiny hairs up and down the stems and on the leaves. That hairy is a signal of what kind it is. If you feel it, it's soft as velvet.
Wow, that is soft and fluffy, huh? Oh, aren't those pretty?
The Native Americans in this area gathered the bulbs of the camas lily and ate them like we eat potato. They had to be careful to identify. If the flower is there, it's really easy. But there is a duff camas. The flower is usually shorter. Now this one, amidst the purple camas lilies, might be an albino, or it might be the death camas. I will know better when they open. I'll go out in some other places and see if I can find one.
I'm so glad you joined us on our nature walk. We saw interesting things, didn't we?
We didn't find a millipede.
We didn't find a millipede, but we did find lots of flowers. We learned lots of different names of flowers. The balsam flower and the
Larkspur.
Lilies.
camas lilies and then larkspurs, and we found a cricket and a spider, and we found some ants. God made such interesting things for us to enjoy. What can we learn about these things?
About the millipede.
God loves things that are pretty. All those beautiful flowers, so different and so special. And God, who made the beautiful things, loves you too. And He made you beautiful and special too.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.